In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube with n8n, an efficient tool that links various applications and automates workflows. If you're eager to streamline your YouTube management with automation, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and navigate to the n8n dashboard. You'll want to find the section labeled Workflows. This is your starting ground for creating new automation tasks. We're going to make a new workflow, so look for a button or link that says create workflow and give it a click. This sets the stage for your automation process, opening a blank canvas for all your creative solutions. Once you're in your new workflow, you'll notice an interface with various nodes and functions. To kick things off, click on the plus button to add a new node. This is like adding a new building block to your automation process. After clicking, look for an option that says trigger manually. Choose this to set up how you'll manually trigger this workflow. Next, click the plus button again to continue adding nodes. This time, search for and select YouTube. By choosing YouTube, we're setting up to connect and interact with your YouTube account. You'll see options that allow you to engage different actions. Here, click on Create a Playlist. This will allow your workflow to automatically generate playlists on your YouTube channel based on your criteria. To connect your accounts, find and click on Credentials. You'll need a new credential, so click on Create New Credential. This will lead you to the Google Cloud platform where you configure API access. In the Google Cloud console, find My First Project or create a new project if needed. You'll spot 3 lines or a menu icon in the top corner. Click this to find enabled APIs and services and select it. Next, click on OAuth consent screen and choose Create OAuth Client. You'll be prompted to choose an application type. Select Web Application. This is crucial as it allows web-based systems to securely access your YouTube data. Proceed by giving your application a name. Let's type in tutorial. It helps in identifying this setup later. Add a redirect URI by clicking Add URI. Then go back to n8n, locate the https://youth.n8n.cloud outh2callback link and copy it. Paste this URI in your Google Console configuration. After you've set up everything, click Create. Now, you'll have a client ID and client secret. Make sure to copy these to your clipboard. Now switch back to n8n where you'll need to paste these details into the appropriate fields. Once all is set, hit OK. And finally, authenticate by signing in with Google. You'll probably encounter a permission screen. Just click highlights like Continue to grant access. With that, you're all done. Your YouTube is now connected with n8n, opening up a world of automation possibilities at your fingertips. Enjoy your new upgraded workflow.